So, my friends, this is my engineer who's working on this fish project here. He's the main person, so he'll introduce himself to you so that you know the person who is talking.
I'm called Adoa Patrick.
Ado? Adoa Patrick.
Yeah. Let me just speak at this.
Yeah. I'm Sugun.
Okay.
Because the viewers are different people, eh? They have many different from Kenya, Uganda, China. Okay. So, your name, sir?
I'm called Adoa Patrick.
Okay.
I've worked on this project with my pond makers, these boys.
The boys.
Me myself, I've just finished about 20 years
in this business.
Ponds. So I've just even trained more people in Palsa here.
Okay.
To do this project because I know that it's a very good project. It's better than to you to grow rice.
Okay.
It is better to you to grow rice and those other crops. Okay. Because with fish, it needs you just only to care them.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you're a farmer, you can even rear your fish because even fish can depend on eating the food which we eat, like sunflower cake. Fish also can enjoy it. Maize bran. This maize bran,
eh?
Fish can enjoying it.
Okay.
You grind your mukene, then you mix those food. Those food. Fish can
you grind the mukene.
You grind mukene, then you mix with sunflower cake and maize bran. You can even make your own food
for the fish.
So okay. Fish can, like tilapia, can finish about 6 months. Then you harvest when you have just feeded them in a good way. Then catfish, you can keep catfish about 9 months and you harvest. You can get 1 kilo in your pond, 2 kilos. It depends the way
you want to.
You have just
been feeding, eh?
You feed those fish.
Okay.
And fish, with catfish, when you fail to feed them, that's why you cannot
get benefit.
But when you feed it very well,
yes,
6 months you can even harvest with catfish.
Catfish,
they are supposed to finish 9 months. But when you feed it, when you don't have fish, you can even harvest at 6 months. So this project is very good. And she has made for me profits here in Palsa. So I'm just even requesting all people in Palsa that let us try. Like people from Lumot. Lumot have benefited a lot
from fish farming.
Fish farming. But what we are just requesting government here in Palsa, let the government help us with only the machine and marketing and transport.
Yes.
So I think that's what we want from government.
Okay, that is great. So that's just a short brief from our engineer here and our supervisor who is supervising the project. And thank you. Keep following. We are still bringing you more stuff. I want to ask you the market. Do you think the market is available? Yes, you've talked about the market issue, but even right now, is it possible? Is the market there?
It's not possible because all people need fish. When they hear that somebody have harvested fish which has just been having in his farm, everybody should run it there.
Yes.
So we need a more market than even those people. Outside markets. For example, for us in Palsa here, we sell the catfish 1 kilo at 10,000. But if the government can help us get more market from outside, which others also can sell at 15,000 or 20,000, we shall be very grateful on that.
Okay, so simply what you're saying is that yes, the market is there, but we need a market with a better price.
Yeah.
Right? And the demand should be also external demand from outside.
Yeah.
But the business is promising. But if you see, the external market needs consistency. Like if they tell you to supply, let's say 10,000 kilograms every week, so the problem is consistency.
Yeah.
Can you do it over a period of a year?
We can do it in a period of 2 months.
Yes.
Because we have built an association. For example, I am the one who's talking. We have the association which we call Palsa Cooperative. Palsa Kibale Cooperative.
Yes.
Aquaculture. We just arranged our farmers.
Okay.
Our farmers, a person who have 4 ponds, when it's reached, it depends that so and so have stocked.
Yes.
Fish ponds in this month is going to harvest it.
Yes.
And then the next farmer is going to harvest in the next month. And even the other one, while we are stocking
this one. So you can try to meet the demand, eh?
Yeah.
The supply basically.
The supply.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
So guys, I should join this cooperative, right? I'm supposed to join you guys.
Yeah.
But
so we need more farmers to join us.
That is good.
For me, me as Patrick,
yes,
the one is talking.
Yes.
I'm just a treasurer.
You're treasurer of this
association. I'm a treasurer in that association. We open our account in DFCU.
DFCU.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have even started saving our money in that account.
Okay.
So we are just waiting on the other people to come and help us.
To come and join also.
And to come and join
so you need more members actually.
We need more members, by the way.
Yeah.
We are not going to step them that we are many, that being selfish. We need more. Yeah, you need more members. If anyone
so what do you like? What do you do in that association, that cooperative? What do people really do? Like, do you help the farmers? You help them access some loans? I don't know.
With loans, we are not started giving people loans.
Oh,
because when in our association, when our farmer needs some money to construct a pond,
yes, that's
why we negotiate and we say that let us help this farmer.
Okay.
So when somebody have that idea to say that I need also to make a pond, yes, meanwhile when she doesn't have even a pond, we shall even register that farmer because of when she sees other farmer, our farmer, one of us, yes, when she has reared these fish, she also have that appetite to say that let me also start.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Patrick. Let me leave you to work. I'll be checking on you again in case I have any questions. Okay. All right. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. So, guys, that was Mr. Patrick. Now I'll move to the lady who's supposed to cook for us food here. She's supposed to provide us food here for the team here. As you can see, after that long day's work, you need to eat something. Okay, so briefly that's it. So all this place, as you can see, one pond can stock like 3,000 fish, but depends on how you feed the fish basically. Recording record, Timanjana. So guys, our project is moving on well. We started at around 10. So what time is it? I don't have a watch here, but it's almost 1 o'clock, 1:30. So 2 hours, we've done this. The work, that's the speed I wanted, and we're doing well. So guys, as I told you, I'll be taking you till the end of this project. So we'll be seeing more results later. But tomorrow we are coming back the same place, and that's it basically. So like I said, our second pond will be here. It's going to be a bigger pond, much bigger. So if you see the other end, we have a lake just behind that. And the third pond will be up here. That's it. So we'll have three ponds here. Big pond. So that's our target. But our main grand plan is to have here like 6 to 7 ponds. That's our main target. So it's an ambitious plan, but we're working towards that. That's it. So that's enough.